Welcome to this update on Fannie Mae conventional loans. Fannie Mae just released an update announcing that effective January 2014, they're making some changes to their loan program. A couple big ones, we'll go over it. No longer will accept mortgages returned in greater than 30 years, so that means no more 40-year mortgages will be deliverable to Fannie Mae. They'll no longer accept mortgages with an interest-only option, so no more interest-only. And then the adjustable rate mortgages that have a 7-year or a 10-year fixed will need to be qualified at the higher of either the note rate or the fully indexed rate, whichever is higher. But the big news is no longer going to allow loan to values above 95%. So no more 97% financing on Fannie Mae conventional loans. If you want to go conventional, you're going to have to put down 5%. Now this includes my community programs and the Housing Finance Agency programs, all of them across the board, no more 97%. So the effective date of this is January 10th, 2014. If you're looking at the 3% down conventional option, you need to get on a contract now, but you got to do it before January. The other one is, there's another big one in there. It's not going to affect the consumers directly, but it will affect the lenders and they'll pass it on to consumers. It was going to force lenders to purchase back loans that fail the ATR test, which is proving the borrower's ability to repay. Now the problem with that is Fannie Mae has not clearly defined how you prove a borrower passed the ability to repay test. So basically this is a provision saying that if you make a 30-year loan, typically if you sell that to Fannie Mae, your reps and warrants, you're liable maybe for the first 3 years, maybe 5 years. But now it's going to be for the entire 30 years. If the loan defaults, they can review the file, and if they say you did not prove the ATR of the borrower, basically ability to repay, then they're going to put the whole, make you indemnify them for the loss of the whole loan, for the entire length of the loan. So, since they're not real clear on this, what's that going to do to lenders? That's going to make the lenders get very strict on their underwriting guidelines, because the last thing they want is to be liable for the loan that they sell to Fannie for the next 30 years. So we're going to see underwriting guidelines tighten up a lot on conventional loans. So I don't think the government understood what this is going to do, but basically they're saying, hey, lenders, lighten up on your underwriting guidelines, but oh, wait a minute, we're going to throw this little thing in there, so you're going to force you to tighten up, even though we're telling you out of the one side of our mouth to loosen up, out of the other side, we're going to force you to get tighter. So that might be something you want to reach out to your congressman on, because that ability to repay, very vague, basically gives Fannie Mae, you can say, hey, loan defaulted, it's your fault, buy it back, even if it's in the 29th year. So if you are looking for one of those 97% loans before January 2014, give us a call, 302-703-0727, or you can apply online, primaryresidentialmortgage.info. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next update.